10/11/2020. What a nice day it is. Sunday. Yes. Square. Great move, great company, great everything. And we have been in Square. And Square consolidated above the 50-day moving average for a very long period of time and would never break below it. It would rally, it would fade, test it, consolidate it, gap up. Then we had higher highs in the consolidation, as you can see. Then we had the gap. That's where this part of the last leg, I'm saying, for the moment, is at all-time highs, and that's this consolidation. One, two, three, pops up. There's the fourth, narrow range, fifth day Friday options expiration, 52-week highs. Now, been a great run. What is the main problem with people? They never know when to sell. Take profits. Nothing wrong with being rich. Nothing wrong with doing what I'm talking about. And once again, we do care about you, and that's why we're here. And, it's easy to get caught up with markets. It's easy to get caught up with prices. They feel good to keep going, this, that. But there's one catalyst. No, I'm just kidding. There's one problem that people have, taking a profit. So we are taking profits. Why don't you? And on the daily, we are given the 52-week high stage in Square, a cautionary taking profits into the move. I'm going to buy it on the dip. So the markets are going to be pulling back because of volatility. So when Square comes back and tests the consolidation, we would look at new entries there, and we will. And we're selling in up at the highs. That's the daily. You could see the weekly peak. So you can see the weekly breakout, what it looks like in its entirety right there. Bam! And there's the highs. And we're overbought. Stage one, overbought, Square. When you look at it on the monthly level, you take a look at where it tested here. And this is how you learn how to buy dips. Let this be an example during the month of September. When Square dipped all the way down there, that's when you wanted to be the buyer. That's where we bought it at, 131 on the call side. And now our market makers have held it in their market maker book all the way up to the top here. And now we're selling into it because we know when to sell it. And we are going to take those gains because gains like that get you rich. Now, let's go back to the daily part on Square. So we can clearly see that at the 52-week high, we've had a great rally off of the bottoms and the consolidations with the markets when we had the great dip. And now we're up, and I am giving a warning to people that if you own Square, you better be selling into it. If you know how to take a profit, you get paid. And then you can take those profits, and then they're in your account, and then you can use it to buy and get another big breakout. And you can do all of that with us. We're here to do that with you. Yeah, we are. And take the free 5-day trial. You can believe what you see. You can have a lot of fun during that period, and you can believe it because we will perform right then and there for you. You can believe what you see. We're going to show you our trading apps. We're going to show you direct access trading to the floor of the exchanges, not the stuff where you're at and doing orders that I'm not even going into that. This is Square trade, taking profits into the high. But yes, we will get into direct access trading, how to submit orders directly to the floor, no middleman, getting filled on your orders, none of this crap when you're buying an option and your order doesn't get filled and the order goes by. You know what I'm talking about. Say goodbye to that and come here, and we will get you set up, and you could never have those problems again. But let us show you why. That's all you got to do is let us show you. It's free. It doesn't cost you nothing. And I'll tell you what, it's going to be a great experience. It's going to be a great experience because you're going to walk away being so much more knowledgeable about what a market maker does and how a market maker operates versus a day trader and how they operate and how they look at the market or the public in general or all of them for that matter. But nonetheless, knowing when to take a profit, knowing how to buy dips, the market's at the highs. I'm looking at the reversal to buy pullbacks in Square, and I will, and I always do, and I always have, and I wait for opportunities to show up at the 50-day moving average and an ascending moving average are climbing higher in value, and that's what makes the consolidation stronger. But we had some narrow range days in here now. There was no real heavy volume breakout at the high because there wasn't. And that is one of the things that we always look for in these kind of plays, everybody. But we enjoy Square and its business and what it does and buying the pullback, but we make money in options in Square. So take the free 5-day trial. Let's have a lot of fun. Square trade update, all our traders around the world, all the new people, and everyone alike.